Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making sure you have your extension and voicemail PIN ready. This saves time. Once ready, press the Messages button on the Avaya handset or dial the dedicated voicemail short code, often 1 plus your extension, so the system is engaged immediately. Make sure you hear the greeting or dial tone, then enter your numeric PIN when prompted, because the system needs authentication to show or play messages. This first step connects you to the mailbox directly and prevents accidental access delays. Once authenticated, listen to the menu prompts and use the keypad commands to manage messages. Press 1 to play, 2 to save, or 3 to delete. This is the main control set. Make sure to note timestamps and caller details while playing messages because that helps prioritize replies. If you need to repeat or skip, use the repeat command or the hash and star keys as specified. This navigational control saves time and avoids replaying entire greetings unnecessarily. To finish, follow the menu to log out or simply press the Messages button again so the mailbox session closes cleanly. This prevents leaving the mailbox open. If your PIN is rejected, contact your system administrator to reset the PIN or reprovision voicemail, because many access errors stem from credential issues. If messages don't play, make sure the handset audio and network are functioning, then try again. If problems persist, escalate to IT for mailbox diagnostics and server.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.